Hey, Ryan here, and a lot of you have grabbed the Soulmate sequence, and that's awesome. But few of you guys didn't. So I asked myself, what could I do to show you how great this book is? And I sent an email to my friend Richard, and I said, Richard, can I just show to my people what's inside the Soulmate sequence? And he said yes, and so it's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to show you shortly the table of contents so that you know how the book is organized and how great the information is. So the book is separated in different parts. So the part one is all about mastering magnetism and how to have people draw to you, like whether it's in the office or when you are in social gathering, meeting women. You're going to learn how to become more charismatic, more attractive, more magnetic. And what I love about that part is it's very holistic. It's not just about women. It's about meeting people on holiday, meeting people in the workplace, client, anyone really, anyone that you meet, and learn how to just become more magnetic, more attractive to that person you're gonna meet. Then part two is very exciting. It's all about finding the one, finding that special one. And let me tell you something. When I met my wife, it changed my life. It changed my life. When you meet the right person, you meet the right woman, you will never look at life the same way again, because now you have someone on your corner, someone who cares about you, someone who knows you deeply, can give you insights that nobody else can give you. So that part is just incredible. Then in part three, it's all about how to stay the course with that person, how to nurture the relationship, how to fight, how to avoid arguments, and things as when you meet her parents and when she meets your parents, how to make sure to navigate those times, because those are the times where things can go wrong. You might find the right person, but if you don't know how to deal with fights and arguments, over time, it can destroy the relationship or it can jeopardize it. So that part is really, really important. And finally, part four is about using your new social skills in all the other area of your life. So for example, things like how to hang out and meet high value people, like people who wealthy people, celebrities, how to be funny, how to how to use humor in your life on a day-to-day basis, so that you draw people to you and you become just that person everybody wants to be around. So there's everything in that book. And so grab the Soulmate sequence, don't miss out. It's not going to be online forever. I'm putting a link, a button just below that video. Grab it. And you know what? When you get the Soulmate sequence, take a screenshot of your receipt, send it to me, and I will send you a bonus, a secret bonus, just for you. So you know what you have to do. Very excited for you. Take care.